What's up guys? Good morning. I had this crazy idea that I would do like a first day of fall vlog. I don't know. We'll see where this goes. So today I am here. I'm currently on base because I need to go take a photo, hence my jacket right there and this brown shirt underneath what I'm wearing today. Yeah, so I need to go take an official photo for my next position. And yeah, that's what we're about to do. We got the hair all slick, like slick. This gel on my hair is thick. Ooh, I should be a rapper. Not really. No. Anyways, we are going to be going in and taking this photo real quick. And then I have groceries I need to pick up. Some organization around the house. I need to get a car washed. And yeah, it's also Chris's birthday. And I'm going to go take his car to get washed before I pick him up from the airport. He's been in Anchorage for the past 2 weeks, doing some cool guy stuff. And yeah, and I get to pick him up from the airport today on his birthday. It's so exciting. I wonder, you guys, I might go get him some flowers. Some flowers and like a little balloon and meet him at the airport with that. What do you guys think? Should we do that? So that's on the docket for today. I also, I need to go pick up dry cleaning. This was supposed to be done 2 days ago. Normally I am on time and good with it, with picking up my dry cleaning on time, but I've been so busy this week and yeah, my bad. But let's get the day going. Still high like everywhere like it was. It got almost up to $5 here, but right now I am currently paying $4.29 for a gallon of gas. So yeah, we're getting gas. Oh, just stopped. So I'm about to do something totally out of my comfort zone. And that's going to a new place. And more specifically, I am here at the, can you guys see that? Probably not. But I'm here at the Oriental Market, one of the 3 here in Fairbanks. And I'm going to get some banana milk. Apparently like it's really good. I've heard it from multiple people that banana milk is really good, and this place actually sells it. So I'm gonna go get some banana milk and we're gonna give it a try. But I'm gonna wait until Chris gets back so we can try it, because obviously I want it to be cold and everything like that. So let's go into the Oriental Market and see what we can get into. Anyway, my impromptu visit to the Oriental Market turned into a full-blown shopping spree. So whenever I get home, I will show you guys what all I got. But for right now, I'm going to Starbucks because, you know, every fall day needs a fall Starbucks drink. However, I'm not a pumpkin spice girl. So don't come for me in the comments, please. Thanks. But we're gonna grab some Starbucks and then go get the car washed. and then it is time to go pick up my groceries.
And then can I do a grande iced white chocolate mocha with sweet cream cold foam and caramel drizzle?
Dang, they're out of everything. Y'all remember my other video where I took Chris and we tried all of the holiday drinks and snacks from Starbucks, and this location was out of everything again? Yeah, got the good stuff. Now let's go get the car wash. I think like going into a season, it's good to go in it with a clean heart, clean mind, and a clean car. So that is why I'm gonna go get my car washed. Also, I want to get it washed before the snow comes, because then that's just another layer of gunk on the car, you know? So there's a lot of people here today. I guess everybody has the same idea. Let's go get a car wash. It's also been like the first day it's been like truly like fall-like out, temperature wise, only because like the past couple days it's been super overcast, but winter is coming, guys. Like this style of vlog-ish, because it's like totally random, you know? Also, like, I'm posting this on a Wednesday, because I can. I will say COVID definitely turned me into a Instacart type gal, you know, have the people do your shopping for you. Just order your stuff online and they'll bring it out to you. Oh, here's the All right, time to put the groceries away. All right, I told you guys I would do an international market haul. So before I put them away, let's show you guys what I got. So I ended up, it's kind of bad, but I ended up with 3 bags. All right, but I think they are filled with goodies. So let's start with the drinks. Obviously, what I went there for, banana milk. Got that, got it in a 6-pack. I also got a couple of aloe drinks. We really like these. They did have like the bigger bottles, but they only had the bigger bottles of the original kind and of grape. And we're not really a fan of grape aloe. The next items, let's see. So I got, well, in the aloe, I got peach, kiwi, and pomegranate. So I got 2 of each of those flavors. I also got, so the first time I had these, I was in Disney's Epcot in Japan. And I was all into, you know, trying new things and things like that. And then I came across these beverages and they are so good. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have ever had these. So these are carbonated drinks, and how you get the carbonation, there's a marble up here. So you open the wrapper, pop the marble down into the beverage, and it makes it carbonated. So I got a strawberry flavor and a watermelon flavor. I also got this sack. I highly doubt I'm pronouncing that right, but it's a grape drink. It says right here that there's peeled grapes on the inside, so I think that's going to be very, very interesting to try. All right, so on to the goodies, the snacks. Chris really loves high chews, so I found these two new flavors of high chews that I'm pretty sure he's never had. So Ramoon and cola flavored. Ramoon, this actually looks like this. Oh, it does say Ramoon. So it's gonna taste like that and cola. And there's a hard candy version made by the same company, and it's called Phi Being. So that's gonna be interesting to try. All right, so I found these sweet corn puffs. You know, I
Figured you can't go wrong with just a simple corn puff. But this item, I think you can go wrong with, but it's going to be very, very fun to try. And this is a 3-in-1 popcorn mix flavored Lay's chip. Oh my goodness, like I have not ever seen this before. But it has buttercorn, cheddar cheese, and where is it? And right here, caramel corn. So this is gonna be interesting. All right, and the last item that I got, I thought this was very, very, very interesting. And I don't know how I feel about it, but they are called Banana Kick. It is a banana like puff. Let's see, yellow corn flour, sugar, rice, banana powder, palm oil. So basically it's like a banana flavored corn puff. I don't know, y'all. I don't know, but I think it's gonna be interesting. You know, you gotta live a little, you gotta get out of your comfort zone. Once you get out of your comfort zone, then you build up confidence, and that is my goal. So yeah, let's put these away. And oh yeah, let me do a quick outfit check. I gotta go outside for this, guys, because I gotta get that natural lighting, and you gotta see the fall setting outside because it is so beautiful. All right, guys, so for outfit of the day, I got this cute plaid shirt, which I actually got at Costco, believe it or not. Really cool. It's not like super thick, but it's also not like paper thin, you know. And underneath it I have a thermal top. Not exactly sure where it's from because I actually stole it out of Chris's closet whenever we were dating in college, and it's just been my favorite ever since. Jewelry, obviously have my Morgan necklace, earrings, which Chris got me, ring, Apple Watch, and then I have jeans from Old Navy, like little booty heels. Not exactly sure where those are from either because I've had these for like a really long time, and they're just comfortable. Do you guys like to get your house in the fall mode by changing out your scents? I mean, this one is empty, but I have an entire closet shelf dedicated to scents, like candles and like Airwick refills. That way I am ready for any season. I know this is not a fall scent, however, it is what I have and it is what I will be using. Gotta get the house smelling good, right? All right, we're back in a car. This time we are in Chris's truck. As you can tell, like I got the Falcons emblem behind me. So I need to go drop some stuff off at UPS, some Amazon returns. And then we're gonna go get Chris some birthday goodies. I also need to put gas in his truck because we run a little low. We got the goods. So we got an assortment. I don't know if you guys can see them. So these two are actually birthday cake, and then I got a lemon original, chocolate and vanilla glazed for Chris. I'm gonna make him like a donut cake, I guess. Because I have gotten him a cake in the past. However, it's just the two of us, and we're trying to get away from sweets. So I think buying an entire cake again would be counterintuitive, you know? But I think donuts are okay. Even though it's probably like the same sugar content, if not more. But you know, it's the thought that counts, right? I mean, plus it's his birthday. Like, you gotta treat yourself. You know, my toxic trait is that I love to spoil Chris. Absolutely love it. Because he just simply doesn't buy anything for himself. And, you know,
throughout the months or whatever, he'll constantly be like, oh, I need new shoes, I need new this. And he'll say it multiple times. So whenever he says stuff multiple times, I have a tendency to like put it in my notepad. So that way when holidays come up or like his birthday comes up, for instance, I could get it for him. Because I know he won't get it for himself. That's what I love about him. He's simple and yeah. You guys know this already, and I want to thank you for your support. 1, for watching this video, 2, for subscribing. I hope you're subscribed. And 3, I just love you. Time to celebrate.